Hey, this is Phyllis. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the responsibility and the dangers of owning like auto jiggler keys, bump keys, lock shims, and of course, lock picks. The first thing that you should do if you are interested in lock picking is you should Google like the laws for your particular state. In my state, I'm in North Carolina. It's a misdemeanor to open anyone's lock besides your own unless you are a licensed locksmith. So that's the first thing that you need to understand, that it is against the law to open up anybody's lock other than your own unless you have a license through your state. And you'd have to be a licensed locksmith or be working as an apprentice under a locksmith, or it's against the law. The laws are very strict because basically they would put you in jail quicker for owning these, these jiggler keys and lock picks. They would put you in jail faster for owning and having these in your possession as they would, say, if you committed murder. And why is that? That sounds silly, but you are a danger when you begin to purchase lock picks, jiggler keys, bump keys, and these lock shims. You become a danger to every homeowner, to every business owner, and to every type of security system around. This is worldwide. So once you possess these tools, you're a danger, and that's the way that law enforcement sees you, as a danger. Like I said, unless you're a licensed locksmith within your state. So you want to think about that before you get involved with lockpick tools, because these tools, this is not a game. Like I said, once you have possession of these tools, you are a threat. You are a threat to everybody, and the laws, they don't take that lightly. So you always want to make sure that you're opening up your own locks, unless, like I said, you have a license. If you really are interested in lock picking, I suggest that you get the manuals and the materials from your state and take those state exams and get those licensed, because you don't want to just be caught out with lock picking tools. And a locksmith, they live by honesty, and because you've got to be honest in this business. And that's one thing, you've got to have a mindset if you're going to get involved with this. You don't want to be a little petty thief, but you want to have a little honesty and integrity about yourself for people to feel comfortable allowing you to open up their locks, if you're licensed, of course. So I just wanted you to know I hadn't seen any videos that were telling about the dangers and the state laws. And like I said, you really should, before you get into lock picking, you should check. You can always Google it for whatever state you're in. Like I said, I'm in North Carolina, and I just Googled it, and it came right up what the state laws are. And it is a misdemeanor to possess these tools without a license if you're trying to open up anybody else's lock besides your own. And everybody gets really tempted to start opening up all kind of locks. If they don't have a license. Like I said, you'll get in trouble, and you don't want to do that. Even if it's a parent's lock or a friend's lock, you don't want to get into that. You can show them how to do it, but don't do it yourself unless you've got a license. And like I said, try to live your life, if you're going to be a locksmith, by honesty, because like I said, you don't want to be just a threat to people, to businesses, to homes, churches, anywhere. Anybody that's got any type of a safe security system or locks. So just have a little integrity about yourself, and live your life by honesty, and you'll be really successful, and you'll stay out of trouble with the law. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Thanks a lot.